The LG V20 receiver, and today I'm doing a video about the Google Pixel 4a 5G for Verizon Prepaid. So the Pixel 4a 5G is now held at Verizon Prepaid. It's available now for $599.99 in contract. Of course, that's nice. You'll have 1.8 gigabytes of storage and also have two color options. Each of them will have just 5 or 10 gigabytes to choose from, so that is pretty cool. So like I said, this is the Pixel 4a 5G. So this does have 5G on it, of course, so that's the phone right there, very nice looking phone. There's a wallpaper that I'm not really a fan of the wallpaper. I'm just not a fan of it. But that's the Pixel 5 wallpaper there. The Pixel 4a 5G wallpaper or whatever, so yeah, so you can get some cameras right here in the upper right hand corner. The whole phone should be some camera. Power button and volume keys are on the right side of the phone. Fingerprint sensor is on the back right here. There's a phone, of course, I said. Power button, volume keys are on the right side of the phone. Whole phone tray with front-facing camera. Yeah, the phone looks very nice. I'm just not a fan of the Pixel 4a. Yeah, but I'm just not a fan of it. There's the right side. On the back end of the Pixel 4a 5G is you get 3 cameras plus a camera for us and the fingerprint sensor and the little logo on the back. There's the left side of the phone. You also have a SIM card slot on the left. There is no SD card support on the Pixel devices, so we keep it in mind. So yeah. So the Pixel 4a 5G has 10.6 days of standby time, 0.6 hours of usage time, 12.2 megapixel dual pixel camera, 2.9 inches in width, 6.1 inches in height and area. So it says introducing the Pixel 4a 5G, the budget friendly super fast phone from Google. It has helpful stuff you need in a phone with an extra boost of 4G speed. So you can download a movie in seconds and do smooth streaming and play your favorite games. Pixel 4a 5G also takes amazing ultraviolet photos in the light, keeps your data safe, blocks robocalls, helps you tackle your to-do list, and has an all-day battery that can last up to 48 hours with extreme battery saver. It's a lot of help from Google for a lot less than you expect. Now with the coverage of 5G nationwide and the unprecedented performance of 5G ultra wideband, so it's pretty nice. So that the Pixel devices that have cool features that have the call screener thing, which helps you screen calls and stuff. They have the Titan M chip in their phones to protect your data, so that is really nice. So yeah. High speed, helpful less. The essential 5G Google phone. So for what's it, $600? The $600 is not bad, you know. Since the Pixel 4a 5G is a budget-friendly, super fast phone from Google, it has helpful stuff you need in a phone with an extra boost of 5G speed, so you can download a movie in seconds, take amazing ultra-wide photos in the night, and keep going with an all-day battery that can last up to 48 hours with extreme battery saver. So basically, I just right up there in the description. So yeah, you can get the 2 days of battery if you got turn battery saver and stuff like that. Put in the G and 5G. So with flash downloads, when you are with 5G, you can download your favorite movies in the game. You start watching before you know it. Get smooth streaming so you can get smooth streaming so you won't miss a beat and go from game time to showtime all in crystal clear HD. 5G hotspot lets you send in super fast signal to phones that speed up your laptop connection for easier working while on the go. Video calling that feels more like teleporting with ultra clear HD duo screens, and you can read articles, watch live sports, and work together as if you were sitting in the same room. Beautiful moments captured beautifully. From the portraits to starry nights, night sight lets you capture all the details without the flash. HDR plus automatically enhances color and lighting, so the photos you take stay as vivid as you remember. And with the ultra wide lens, you can fit entire wall wrapping scenes in your photos. The amazing camera that just keeps getting better. So your portraits in the best light if shadows get in the way of a great portrait. Pixel drops and picture drops an extra light to eliminate this to eliminate your subjects. You can also adjust the lighting later in portrait light. And if you want to add a little drama to your clips, give your video just a cinematic look. It's simply panning that's inspired by the equipment used in Hollywood movies. Right? The all-day plus another day battery. An adaptive battery reduces power to the average daily use of your cell phone. Keeps it charged all day. Extended battery saver helps you take your all-day battery in 48 hours and it's charge when you really need it, and when you need a quick refill. Fast charging lets you get back to your task and entertainment quickly. A security guard for your digital life. The Titan M chip helps secure the OS and sensitive data like passwords and transactions. And with security updates as soon as they are ready, your phone is always safe and up to date with the latest software. So that's really nice. A lot of help whenever you get it. A lot of help wherever you go. Use the Google Assistant to manage your daily tasks, control your apps, and much more. And call screening helps you proactively filter out robocalls before your cell phone in the room. So that's a great feature. I wish every phone had that feature. So yeah. So the special on the Pixel 4a are really good. This is like a mid-range smartphone. So for $600, it's a good deal in my opinion. So 5G, you get 5G millimeter wave and stuff like that. 4G, you get XLTE radio, doubling 4G LTE, and doubling our 4G LTE bandwidth considered coast to coast. Also, LTE advances available as well with 50% faster peak speeds and more than 100 pieces from coast to coast. It's also a world device with most use it in 200 countries. Depending on what plan you guys have, of course. For 10.6 days of standby time, 26 hours of usage time, 4.2 megapixel dual pixel camera, 8 megapixel front facing camera with f2.8 aperture lens, fixed focus and 82-degree field of view for the front facing camera, width is 2.9 inches, the weight of the phone is 6.2 ounces, so a bit hefty there, so not too bad. The depth, the height is 6.1 inches, the depth is 0.3 inches, so not too bad. Screen size 6.2 inches for screen display. That's a Full HD plus 1080 by 2340 with 13 ppi. It has an aspect ratio of 19.5 by 9. Corning Gorilla Glass 3 in the front there, so pretty good. Corning Gorilla Glass 3 is an old technology now, so it still should be pretty good with that. Battery is 30, 80 million. That's too bad. I think it's 30, 80 million. So annual revenue, which is very nice. 128 gigabytes of RAM and 60 gigabytes of RAM. This hearing aid, star ratings, network processor is a Snapdragon 765G. That's an optical processor, Type M, security module, Wi-Fi 8711, BGN AC, dual-band Wi-Fi. It has NFC, Google Cast, GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and all that good stuff. Google says Azure Voice Assistant, of course. AC Voice, which lets you experience AC Voice, video calling, and simultaneous voice and data, and enable Wi-Fi calling, and make calls whenever you have a Wi-Fi connection. If you guys need help with your Google Pixel 4a 5G, Verizon has you covered with that as well. So it says that Verizon Wireless support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So that's really nice. What comes in the box is your Pixel 4a 5G smartphone, 18-watt USB-C power adapter, USB-C to USB-C cable, quick start guide, quick switch adapter, and SIM tool. So pretty cool there. So you do get 18-watt charger out the box, which is pretty decent, not too bad. Yeah, there you guys go. The Google Pixel 4a 5G is now had at Verizon Prepaid for $599.99 for contract. So if you guys are looking to get a stock annual experience with 5G and the Pixel 4a, this is a thing for you for $600 bucks. I think it's a good deal. I think it's definitely worth it. It is what's special what it is. And the front end looks very nice. And you guys will get 3 years of security updates and 3 years of iOS updates as well. So that is a win. That comes with Android 11. So yeah, the Pixel 4a 5G is a win. And it's definitely worth $599.99 net contract support. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up if you guys are watching a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.